Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial content on how to contact Cash App. Maybe you got scammed and you have to talk to the Cash App support in order to resolve the issue. Then in that case, it's pretty easy to get in touch with Cash App support. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open a Cash App application and sign into your account if necessary. From the home page of Cash App, go and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, you'll be able to see an option that says Support. Tap it on. On the next page, you'll be able to see all of the options displayed on the screen. You'll simply need to recognize your problem and choose one of the options that matches yours. To retrieve the solution from Cash App, if you'd like to talk to Cash App support directly, then tap on something else from this option. At the bottom of the menu, tap on Contact Support. And on the next page, go and tap on the email option at the bottom. In the pop-up, confirm your email address by tapping on Yes. And finally, on the next page, you can go ahead and describe your issue. Whatever issue you're having regarding your Cash App transactions, you can type it into the text box briefly and then tap on Continue at the bottom. That is how you'll be able to contact Cash App support whenever you're having trouble using the Cash App application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.